naval counterpart of the RAF Fury, the Sea Fury plays her part as a carrier-based fighter. A product of the famous Hawker Group, the Sea Fury has a maximum speed of 450 miles per hour and a range of 760 miles. Little modified from the Fury, apart from the addition of carrier operating gear and power wing folding, the development of this type of aircraft has put the fleet fighter at par with shore-based fighter cover.
When the forces of the Royal Navy take the ocean, they are accompanied by naval aircraft to command the sky above. Up on the flight deck, the planes are made ready. 0 hour approaching as the great ship alters course and turns into the Mediterranean wind.
Here are some points to help remember the Sea Fury. Radial engine and large spinner with front fuselage rising to the cockpit. Well-rounded fin and rudder with tail plane set high. And don't forget those almost elliptical wings. The Sea Fury is armed with 4 20mm cannon mounted in the wings. When employed as a strike aircraft, the Sea Fury may display a variety of under-the-wing armament.
A Fury would turn tighter than a MiG.
Because as long as we could see it, we did not think he could catch us. We were so much more maneuverable.
The enemy's speed advantage was nullified by the maneuverability of the naval aircraft and the quality of the pilots.
The tension was very high, of course.
The operations were quite intense. By the time you survived Korea, you knew how to use your weapons and fly your airplane.